Hello friends, I am Kirit Sarvaiya. I did my bachelor's in architecture from IIT Kharagpur, and from then on I worked in Bangalore for 1.5 years, and then I decided to prepare for CAT. So I joined T.I.M.E Institute in Dadar in April, and I started preparing. The classes had already started when I joined. I had missed 2 of the classes, so I started regularly attending all the classes on the weekdays. And what happened was, I used to maintain 3 different books for all the classes, and for verbal, for LRDI and quants. Now, how did it help me? Whenever I had to refer to any of the questions that had already been discussed in the class, I could just refer to that. And apart from these 3 books, I also had a different book called Bhagavad Gita, as I used to call it. And it had all the formulas, important formulas, all the special questions that I used to come across in LRDI maybe or quants. Now, it was all in that book. Now, what happens with that is, I don't need to go to the professor or the faculty for any silly doubt that I have. I can just refer to that book. Maybe it has been discussed in the class, or it has a special method that I could just use it. Now, after that, the mocks of time started. Now, giving mocks is very important for CAT, and giving mock and analyzing that is even more important. Now, how do we analyze? Platform, as in the online platform of T.I.M E, had a great way of analyzing mocks. You used to get the time that you took for each of the questions and the average time that all the people attending that questions took. How does this help? You get to know which questions you are good at and which topics you are good at and which you are not. So that way you can just prepare for those, and maybe you are good at something, you can just put that topic aside. And that way it helped me a lot in preparing for the weak topics that I was in, and the topics that I was weak in. Now, later on I gave CAT just a day before CAT. The only thing that I referred to was the book that had all the formulas and the special questions, nothing else. I did no practice for LRDI, no verbal, no quants, just one day before CAT. That was all relaxing and just going through that book. On the day of CAT, it was tensed, and you get through it because you know you have prepared for it and you score for it. But one thing I could tell you is, don't be overconfident with it. And also after CAT, I got calls from IIM like Lucknow, Kozhikode, FMS, and then the process for JDPI started. Now, in JDPI, T.I.M E again provided us with a platform to practice for that. Now, I have almost attended 6 to 7 sessions of this on weekends, and T.I.M E had people coming in to take interviews for you, give you inputs, help you practice for GD, even the PIs, and also VAT and all the sessions that we had according to the colleges that are. As in, for Kozhikode we had a different way of, as in the college conducts different way of VAT and GD. It's the same topics. That's how they prepare you. That's how T.I.M E prepares you for that. And it had different ways for it. Even for FMS, they had a separate method to prepare interviews, so they prepare you that way. So that helps you with the interviews. And after that, I just converted Lucknow, and I'm happy to go there. So regarding the mock and GD and PI after CAT, now T.I.M E provided me with a platform to give mocks and prepare for my interviews. And the interviews and the mock, the GD and the PIs were all very specific to the colleges that we had calls from. Now, how did that help me? It helped me prepare for Lucknow separately, it helped me to prepare for Kozhikode and FMS separately. And just before the interviews, I know what I had to do. Now, one thing very important for the interviews is having good knowledge about the current affairs. Now, I would say you start preparing from right now, and because it helps you develop that habit of keeping up with the current affairs for a year, and that is very useful for the interviews as well. I used to keep up with the current affairs right from April itself when I decided to start for CAT. I used to be updated, but now it was more thorough. So I used to make notes as well about the current affairs, about the budget that came out that year. So I used to keep notes and used to read that regularly and find out other related things to that. And that way it also helped me in the GDs and all the PIs.